Hi, everybody. I'm Lisa Rojas, and I'm going to show you how to create this super cute globe for the holidays. It's so easy. You're going to love it. What you're going to need for this first is a wood gnome. This is actually an ornament that it came in a package from Amazon. There was a bunch of them. I think there were like 12 or 15 in a package. And I just thought that it was so cute and it would make such a cute project aside from an ornament. So, what we're going to do is we're going to put all of this together. So much fun. Okay, so because this is a globe and you're going to see the front and the back of it, I did not want the back to be looking all yucky. So what you're going to do is just lay your gnome down on a piece of green cardstock and trace around, and then of course just cut it out. And then from there, we're going to add some tape or some glue, whichever you choose. And then that way, your back side will be covered. There, just like that. Okay, so to create the inside, the globe comes like this. It comes with this bottom, and then this, of course, sits inside, and then you have this that you can close it. These are actually from Michael's, and they are actually for water if you want to do a water globe. So I thought I was going to do a water globe, and then I thought, that might be a little too much. So we'll just play with this one. So what you want to do, first of all, you're going to lay your whole base right here on top of this piece. So what you want to do is you're going to take a circle die cut. This is 2 3/4. And you're going to cut out 4 pieces of white cardstock. Now, this can be from your scraps, anything like that. Basically, what we're using this for is just to give it a little bit more stability on the base of the globe. So we're just going to glue these all together. Let me get that straight. There we go. All right. So this is just to give it, as I said, just a little bit of stability because you are going to be adding things on top of this. So you want to make sure that it's going to hold really, really well. All right. So next we're going to take our adhesive here, run that right across the top of our bottom, and we're going to lay the base down. Okay, there we go. So now the next thing that we're going to do is take some glue, and I am going to use, not that much. All right, we're going to scoop some of this up. All right, so cover that with your glue. And then we're going to take another piece of white paper here, and we're going to add some of this really fun glittery confetti. This is chunky, so it's not quite as fine as regular glitter. This is more of a chunky. So you just want to pour that over the top there. There. And then you're going to shake off your excess. Press that down just a little bit just to make sure that it's going to cover all of it. Okay. And then you're going to take the excess. You're going to take that and then put that right back into your container. So next, we're ready to start building our inside. So I have all of these little goodies that I have. I've got some miniatures here that I absolutely love, love, love miniatures. So we've got some trees, we have a little package. We've got some lollipops. And then, of course, there's some lights that we're going to be adding to the outside, and then also a little bit of lights to add to the inside. So what we're going to do next is we're going to start gluing. Now for this, I'm going to use my glue gun because it works so much better with the glue gun. And then you're just going to start building your base. All right, so we're going to put one there. And then we're going to put another one right there in front. There we go. And then what you're going to do with your gnome is, because there's nothing on the bottom, now you can create a small easel for this, but you don't really need to, because what you can do is set this down and then just go ahead and glue him right to one of the trees. So then that way it's not going to go anywhere. Okay, so we're going to adhere that right there. There we go. Okay, you really want to make sure that it's on there well. All right, so we've got him on there like that. And then the next thing we're going to do, I'm going to grab another glue stick here. There we go. All right, we do not want to run out. I know that there's enough in there, but I just want to make sure. Okay, so next what we're going to do is we're going to take the two lollipops and we're just going to glue those together to one another. There. Okay. And then again, these are not going to be able to, obviously stand up on their own. So to get around that, we're going to turn this around. And I'm going to take one of the little packages, the little miniature packages, and we're going to add some glue down here to the bottom. There we go. And put that down right there. And then last, then we have a base now that we can glue the lollipops to so they will stay. So we're going to take the glue gun, just add a little bit of glue right to the back of your package there. And then just put that right on. Okay, just like that. There we go. All right, I'm going to add a little bit more glue over here. Just to hold that down. And then you can see now you've got your back decorated also. All right. So next I'm going to take a small little piece of these lights and I cut them down, and we're just going to add a little bit of glue here to the tree and put your first little light there, and then just kind of wrap it around your tree a little bit. There we go. And then you can take it and add a little bit of glue to your base and then just lay it right there on top. There we go. All right, so now you have your inside all decorated. Easy, very, very easy. So next we're going to put this inside our globe. Okay, so we're going to squeeze this in there. There we go. Just like that. And then, of course, I'm going to go ahead and add this other base. Okay, and actually you could just leave it just like this. But, you know, I like to add details to pretty much all of my work. So I thought, I'm going to put a really cute little fence around. So we're going to take this miniature fence, and what you're going to do is you're going to measure it for around your globe, just like this. And then when you get it to the back here, instead of trying to glue this onto the base, what I did was I took some silver wired thread, just a little tiny piece, and then just tie this off. All right, so now you've got your fence on. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take a little bit, another string of lights, but this time we're going to start, I'm going to start here in the front. There, so we're going to add a little bit of glue right there, and that will get us started. There we go. And then just every once in a while, add a little bit of glue just to kind of hold them in place. Is we're going to add this cute little, this is a Christmas floral pick. And we're just going to take this and we're going to glue it right to the top of our globe right here. There we go. And I'm just going to add this right on the front there, and then that will cover up any of the stuff that's, you know, that could, the glue and stuff, so you don't see any of that. And then the last thing that we're going to do is take a little peppermint. This is just like a little flat back button, and add a little bit of glue to the back of that, and then just place that right there in front.